Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for IELTS in 7 days. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure, including the 4 modules: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Next, identify your areas needing the most improvement and allocate more study time there. Finally, engage with official practice tests daily to simulate the real exam environment and build confidence. This focused approach maximizes your limited preparation time. Structure your days by dedicating specific blocks to each module. For instance, spend 2 hours on listening, 2 on reading, and so on. Aim to complete a full practice test, including all 4 sections, by the 3rd day to gauge your progress. Also, actively review essential grammar rules and expand your vocabulary, especially for the writing tasks. Consistent effort across all areas is key. On the day before your exam, prioritize a good night's sleep to ensure you are well-rested and alert. On exam day, plan to arrive at the test center at least 30 minutes early to avoid any last-minute stress. During the test, carefully monitor your time for each section, allocating appropriate minutes to each question or task. Stay calm and focused throughout. In your final hours, do a quick review of the core strategies for each IELTS module. Practice speaking responses with a timer, aiming for 2 minutes per topic to simulate the actual speaking test. Remember to stay calm and confident. Also, for staying refreshed, check out the Owala water bottle and other great deals linked in the description below. You've prepared well, now trust your abilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.